From Delhi, Punjab to even Karnataka, statewide Bandh is being observed in Karnataka by pro-farmer organizations and opposition parties. Protests are being held outside Bengaluru's town hall over the newly passed agriculture laws. Now, Karnataka Congress Chief D.K. Shivakumar and Congress's Randeep Surjewala met the farmers who are on a protest to extend their support to the Bandh. Take a look at these latest visuals on your screen. Also, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa is addressing a press conference today. Will be assuring farmers that he will never allow any injustice to happen to farmers, as he himself is the son of a farmer. He added he will always fight for the welfare of the farmers. The Bandh, meanwhile, is also supported by several pro-Kannada outfits. Police, to maintain law and order, have beefed up security across the state and specifically in Bengaluru city. Now, getting support for the Bandh has come from private cab and auto aggregators. Protests continue in Mysuru, Dharwad, Haveri, Chamarajnagar and other areas across Karnataka.
ನಾನು ರೈತನ ಮಗನಾಗಿ ರೈತರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದಿಂದ 4ನೇ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡುವಂತ ಅನ್ನದಾತ ರೈತನಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಧಿಕಾರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಂತಿರೋನಲ್ಲ, ರೈತರ ಪರವಾಗಿರುವಂತವನು ನಾನು.
खेती को चंद पूंजीपतियों की ड्योढ़ी पर सिक्कों की खनक में बेचकर मोदी जी क्या समझते हैं कि वो इस देश के 62 करोड़ किसान मजदूर को दबा सकते हैं? वो बहुत बड़ी गलत फहमी के शिकार हैं. जब किसान और खेत मजदूर अंगड़ाई लेता है तो इस देश की सत्ता बदलती है, इस देश का सिंहासन डोलता है. मोदी जी तैयार हो जाइए, अब किसान और खेत मजदूर आता है, सिंहासन खाली करो.
The government passed the bill against the farmers, laborers and pro-corporate. We are continuingly the protest. Today also Karnataka Bandh, called the Karnataka Bandh. All over Karnataka Bandh is successful against that bill. Next, continue October 2, we are planning to hunger strike one day. And also in coming session, November, in Belgaum winter season, livestock farmers, Dalits and laborers see the Vidhan Sabha.
Well, we're now standing right in front of Town Hall where major protests are actually taking place. Multiple pro-Kannada as well as pro-farmer organizations are present over here protesting against the amendments, 2 important amendments that took place and were passed in the Karnataka Assembly on Saturday. In fact, one was the amendments to the APMC Act and the other was the amendment to the Land Reforms Act. In fact, what we are told by our sources is that the Land Reform Act sort of liberalizes farmland ownership, and the APMC Act sort of curtails the powers of the APMC and allows an ordinary individual to actually trade with the farmers if you have a PAN account number. So this is what the farmers are against. This is what the pro-Kannada organizations are against, stating that this will completely hamper and destroy the livelihoods of farmers in the state. So it's not just these amendments, but also they are protesting against the farm bills that have been passed in the parliament. In Bengaluru, the capital over here, traffic is but normal. The police are making sure that the people staying over here do not face any troubles, while the farmers and the pro-Kannada associations and the pro-farmers go about with their protests. With video journalist Madhuwar, Nolan Pinto for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.